So today I'm going to be going to a restaurant called Succotash in DC to meet up with one of my friends who is here for work. She's just going to be in between meetings, so we're going to meet up for a quick lunch. Succotash is like a southern type restaurant. I've never been there before, so hopefully I like it. This is what I will be wearing. I got this shirt from a place called Unicorn Universe. I got these pants from Ross during their big clearance sale they have every year that all couponers talk about. So I actually got these pants for $1.49. I have my Marc Jacobs bag, which I've had this for like 10 years. And then my shoes, I just have my Louboutins. So yeah, hopefully I'll get to vlog once I get there, but I'm not really sure what type of music and stuff they'll be playing. So I will talk to you guys later. Bye.
I like to be educated, but I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness. I guess that ignorance is bliss. Take me back to before I knew. Rewind, take it out of cue. Innocence can be a young man's game. Signed up for the hall of shame. I wish I knew how much I miss not knowing that we're all screwed. Stay up, I feel so outdated. How can we look the other way? Sun is out, but the sky is gray. What would happen if I took a chance? It's always hard at first glance. I don't wanna, but I know I gotta do it. The truth is hard to swallow, I think I'll chew it. I knew.
So I'm here with my friend Simone. We just got done eating at Succotash. It was pretty good. I don't know, how did you like it?
It was good.
Yeah. Yeah, it was pretty good. So yeah, we just got to catch up a little bit. I really wasn't able to vlog that much inside, just because of the music and everything. But yeah, so it was good catching up with my friend, and I'm gonna head home now to go pick up the boys from school. So I will talk to you guys later. Hey guys, so I'm back home now from Succotash and from picking up my sons from school. We ate dinner, did homework, then I got ready for bed. The boys are actually downstairs in the basement with my husband. He holds football trainings virtually every day, so they're just downstairs doing that right now. So I'm gonna just go downstairs and check them out for a little bit and then get them ready for bed and go to bed myself. So we can go downstairs and check out a little bit of their workout. Hey guys, so as you can see, I am in the bed. I am so sleepy today for some reason. So I'm about to lay it down. I got the kids ready for bed. So I will talk to you guys later. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video.